Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sonika Style, and I'm back with quite a few good DIYs and product reviews. I have used quite a lot of products. I missed my Nika haul this time. I couldn't shoot. There was a lot of thing going on, so I couldn't shoot my Nika hauls also. I have bought very good products from Nika this time, so I can share those review maybe. So yes, but today I'm going to share one DIY with you all for your brightening skin. So summers are here in Bangalore, it's completely here. So for that, for your skin to get glow, the brightness, and शादियों का season तो चल ही रहा है, so your skin needs to be quite good hydrated all the time. So for that I am going to share a nice DIY which is very simple. You can use it on your everyday basis also, or you can use it on alternate days also. It will give, definitely purifies your skin. It will give a nice definite glow to your skin. It will give a nice even tone to your skin, which will your pigmentations will work in that. Your pigmentations are going to remove, your dark spots are going to get reduced. That is going to be a very nice DIY, so I think you should watch it. So if you don't want to miss all these videos, do watch it till end and do comment below, subscribe to my channel, like if you really like this DIY, and definitely tell me when you use this, because this is a very natural DIY process, the face pack, and you're definitely going to love that. So yes, it is going to work as your face cleanser. It is going to get like a scrub for your face. It is going to purify your skin, lot many things. So yes, let's get started. See the preparation of that face pack, which has only kind of for 3 to 4 ingredients. So yes, I'm very sure that you're going to enjoy that. So please stay tuned with that, and let's get started. So yes, once the pack gets dried on your face, you just have to spray some water, then scrub it off, remove it by a circular motion of scrubbing your face, and it will remove all the impurities and leave that hydration and the glow on your face. So I think you should definitely try this DIY face pack, and I hope you liked it. And if you really like it, give me a thumbs up, and do let me know in the comment section that how you felt about this face pack. And I'll be back with few more DIYs and product reviews for you all. Till then, stay tuned and lots of love to all. Bye bye.